Okay, this is how to construct a hexagon. So you'll be asked to construct a hexagon with side length A, B, and they'll just show you a line and it'll have A, B written on beside it. So what you do is you get your compass and you stick the point of the compass in one end and you draw an arc here, and then you stick your compass point in this end and you draw an arc here, and the dimension for the compass is the line length AB. So you measure out your compass so it's that side. What you'll end up with are two arcs that are like that. So this arc has this length AB and this arc has this length AB. They're both the same. You use this point as the center of your circle and you draw a circle, right? And then you use the same length and you put your compass point here and you measure an arc at that point. And you've got a little arc there, and then you go from here up to this point here. This is called constructing it piecewise, because you go, each piece is constructed separately. And then you do it with this piece again. Then for the next length you're doing the same thing again, and then you go around again, and finally all you do is you just join up these lines with your set square. Right? So that's a hexagon. It's got 6 sides. So make sure you're constructing the right thing. A hexagon has 6 sides.